Good night, everyone. I'm Francella. Thank you for joining our presentation season today. Now I'll present my own website. This site contain four main sections. First, we have animation, video, podcast, and last quiz. Each section is created with a different media format to give visitors a variety of engaging content. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have the animation. We have the animation section. Oh, sorry. This created a simulation that show how calculus is used to manage grain storage. It demonstrated how the total grain store is the integral of the net flow rate over time. We can adjust this animation like this, right? And the goal is to show how producer can use this concept to optimize storage and ensure food security. However, this simulation, the total input, output, and net change appear as zero, which suggests a possible error in the calculation setup. Next, next is the video. In this video, which is you all can watch it on my YouTube. In this video, the video talk about how math, especially integration and mass balance, plays a key role in food production and food security. Mass balance helps track inputs and output on a farm, while integration is used to calculate total food production over time by analyzing growth rate. Then this podcast also you all can watch it on my YouTube. This podcast is about how integration in calculus is used in mass balance to track inputs and outputs in food production. It also shows how maths help improve efficiency and support sustainable food system. Lastly, there is the quiz section. Quiz section. This quiz can be created with a total of 5 multiple choice question. And after the user after the user submitted the quiz, the user can check the answer and yes, the user can check the answer after they submitted their quiz. That's all. Thank you.
Uh, Assalamualaikum and good Assalamualaikum. My name is Norina Emilia Binjak Design. Today I will present my website titled Mass Balance in Food Production. Um, okay. This website has four main components: video, animation, podcast, and interactive quiz. It also combines visual and interactive elements to help students understand the concept of mass balance, which is an important topic in food technology and process engineering. Mm, the main goals for the main goals of the website are to give a basic understanding of mass balance in food production, Second, provide different learning tools such as video, animation, podcasts, and quizzes. And third, make learning more fun and suitable for students from various backgrounds. The animation, titled Juice Production Process, shows how juice is produced from fruit reserving to filtering, heating, and bottling. It clearly shows how materials change in form and amount during the process, so students can see where and why mass balance is important. This animation helps visual learners understand the flow in a simple way. Second, this video titled Mastering Mass Balance in Food explain the basic calculation of mass balance in the food industry. It's not too technical but helps students understand how mass is balanced from input to output. For example, from raw materials to final products in a factory. The video is also available on YouTube, so students can watch anytime for revision. Third, for podcast, the title is Food Touch and Engineering Fundamentals. It discusses basic topic in food technology and engineering, including material flow, energy balance, and why mass balance is important in real food production. The podcast also available on YouTube, so students can listen anytime, especially while on the go. For lastly, interactive quiz, title test and your mass balance skill. It include real life scenario. For example, student calculate the final product if some material is lost. Each answer come with a short explanation so student can understand the logic behind it. The quiz is interactive and helps students check their understanding right away. In conclusion, this website is made to help students understand mass balance in food production using a more interesting and practical approach. I hope it gave a value in learning this technical topic. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.
Okay,
Siapa
so
aku?
okay, Assalamualaikum and hello for everyone. Today I would like to present our website titled Integration in Food Science and Mass Balance in Food Production, which is it explores the connections between mathematics and food science. This site it shows how mathematically concept, especially integration, that can be applied in our real life situation, like how to calculate nutrient intake or measuring energy from food and analyzing growth curve in food production. We use examples from food science to help make abstract math topic more relevant and interesting. So, from this, first we do the animation that about interactive simulation, how differentiation and integration concept apply to mass balance calculation in food production. It is about the juice concentration. So, we can calculate this by animate this process. Yes, first, and then we have and then we have video. This video is about how to calculate the solve food production, mass balance in food production. So you guys can look it on my YouTube. Third is podcast. This is podcast is about um, also about mass balance in production. And then the last one is maths quiz about the mass balance. They will have 5 questions that um, the other can try, and it also have the answer already. So the website is includes the visuals, explanations, and interactive content that connect math with daily life and the food industry. Our aim is to help all the students, um, not for UMT only, it is for any university. So they will understand that maths, especially about the topic integration, it is not just a theory, it is a practical tool used to solve real world problem. Okay, that's all from me.
Ya, tak boleh cannot use camera while sharing your share screen.
Apa?
Okay, kebentang lah kan. Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Nuriza. So today I will explain about this site about integration in food security mass balance in food production. Okay, first of all, this is the animation. The animation is about calculus in food security mass balance simulation. So from this simulation, which is animation, we can learn about modeling dynamic system, which is fruit production. It's not always constant of input and output can change over time, which is calculus helps model this change using derivative and integrals. Next, from this animation, we can also learn about optimizing resource use, which is calculus is used in optimization problem, help minimize waste or maximum yield. Lastly, from this animation, we can also learn about mass balance over time. In mass balance simulation, calculus helps track how mass accumulates or depletes in a system continuously. So, second is my video, which is mass balance in food production. So from this video, what we can learn about this video is we can clarify process, and especially for visual learner, we can demonstrate mass balance process, which is flow diagrams and factory simulation.
Hey there,
You
future
guys
food
can
scientists. Ever
also click this link to watch the video lah. In this podcast, we can explain concept in relaxed and conversational style. It's a great way to share information and reflect on how mathematics is connected to real life situation. Lastly is about calculus in food science, which is mass balance quiz. From this quiz, we can test real world understanding, which is mass balance in food system often involve continuous change, which is first how calculus helps in quiz,
how to include rate of change question using derivative. Next, we can reinforce dynamic thinking using this quiz. We can food, which is why food processing is really static, flow rates, reaction, and loss change over time. Thank you. That's all from me. Clear kah suara saya?
All the websites presented today have their own strengths and unique qualities. However, if I had to choose the one I find most interesting, I would go with uh, Nazira's website because of her creativity, design, and good content. Good job, everyone. I'm proud of the work we've all done. Thank you.